You know, the place you live in can be even nicer, can be even better, can be even more pleasant to live. Well, most of the people will react positively. And I believe that using art as a kind of engine which trigger people's activity is extremely smart idea. It doesn't divide people, and so people may work together, they can cooperate. Everybody can be an artist in a way, but they don't have to compete. They may support each other. It is possible here because they do it by themselves. If they do it by themselves, they will take care of it.